Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your iPhone fast again. If your iPhone is running slower than usual, there are several steps you can take to improve its performance and make it faster again. Here are some effective ways to speed up your iPhone. First method, restarting can clear temporary files and free up system resources. For iPhones with Face ID, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off, then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. Next method, clear unnecessary apps and data. Delete unused apps. To do this is to go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Review the list of apps and delete any that you don't use frequently. Clear up cache. Some apps like social media apps can accumulate large cache. You can delete and reinstall the app to clear the cache by tapping on the app, for example Instagram, then delete the app. Another method, update iOS and apps. Update your iPhone's iOS by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Update your apps. To do this is go to the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right, and choose Update All, if there's any, to ensure all your apps are running the latest versions. Offload unused apps. Enable offload unused apps still in iPhone storage to automatically remove apps you don't use while keeping their data. Next method, reduce background activities. Disable background app refresh. To do this is to go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, and turn it off for apps that don't need to update content and the background. Last method, turn off visual effects. Reduce motion. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, Reduce motion, and turn it on. This reduces some of the animation effects and can make your iPhone feel faster. Now, reduce transparency. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and text size. Enable reduce transparency to decrease the transparency effects. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.